Odea Bank is offering full-fledged banking service to our customers. We have 4 main business lines, and we're distributing those products over our digital channels. Customer experience is one of our key aspects that we deliver through our software products. So any service outages or performance problems negatively affect our customer experience. We are dealing lots of applications, solutions, and day by day they are getting more complicated and diverse. The ultimate solution is to provide us end-to-end visibility, better business IT alignment, IT data on a single platform. We unified all our operations and monitoring under OpsBridge platform right now. Also, we will gather the business data and IT data together to analyze and see the results. The total number of events processed last year, 1.1 million, and now we are reduced it by 40%. And this means that we increase our operational efficiency at 40%. Now our monitoring teams and ops teams mostly focus on the critical issues and alarms. Actually, it's decreased the mean time to repair by 30%. We are aiming to implement OpsBridge Analytics. I think that this is the most exciting part, doing predictions for the events for service outages. We will be able to have a closed incident management loop. In future, we will be cooperating with Micro Focus. The product roadmaps will align with our business strategy and IT strategy to deliver a better customer experience to our clients.